Can't find your watch later playlist? Don't worry, we've all been there. YouTube's layout changes can be confusing, but locating this handy feature is actually quite simple. Let's break it down, step by step, and get you back to your saved videos in no time. First, look to the top left corner of your screen. Do you see those 3 horizontal lines stacked on top of each other? That's called the hamburger menu, and it hides YouTube's navigation panel. Go ahead and click on it. Now, the navigation panel should be open on the left side of your screen. Scroll down until you find a tab labeled U. It might have a profile icon next to it, or simply say U. Click on this tab. Great, you're almost there. On the U page, you will find a section called Playlist. In this section, locate the Watch Later playlist. It's usually represented by a clock icon or the words Watch Later. Click on it. Congratulations, you've successfully found your Watch Later playlist. From here, you can watch all the videos you've saved for later viewing. Simply click the play button and enjoy. You can also manage your playlist by removing videos or reordering them to your liking. Alternatively, some users might find the library icon in the left-hand sidebar on the YouTube homepage. If you see library listed, click on it. The library page displays your history, downloads, and, importantly, your playlists. Look for Watch Later among your other playlists listed. Clicking on Watch Later here will take you to the same Watch Later playlist page we saw earlier, so there are 2 ways to get to it. Hopefully, this tutorial cleared up any confusion and helped you easily find your Watch Later playlist. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more YouTube tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments if you have any other questions. Happy watching.